Welcome to Grow Language. Today I start our new series GK and Current Affairs. The most important current affairs, July 2021 as follows. Cabinet reshuffle. 43 leaders take oath as the ministers. The Union Cabinet, led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, has expanded its council of ministers. The names in the cabinet reshuffle include several new entrants as well as existing ministers who will be reassigned. The swearing-in ceremony of 43 ministers was held at Rashtrapati Bhavan on July 7, 2021. In total, 15 ministers were inducted into the Union Cabinet and 20 ministers were inducted as Minister of State. This is the first cabinet reshuffle since the National Democratic Alliance (NDA) retained power in 2019. The Union Cabinet can have 81 members as per the rule. There were 53 ministers in PM Modi's cabinet, but a series of them include Union Health Ministers. Harsh Vardhan resigned hours before the names were announced. PM Modi will continue to head the following: Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions, Department of Atomic Energy, Department of Space, all important policy issues and all other portfolios not allocated to any minister. New Cabinet Minister 2021, Narayan Rane, Minister of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Sarvananda Sonowal, Minister of Ports, Shipping and Waterways and Minister of Ayush. Birendra Kumar, Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment. Jyotirindra Sindhia, Minister of Civil Aviation. Ramchandra Prasad Singh, Minister of Steel. Ashwini Vaishnaw, Minister of Railways, Minister of Communications and Minister of Electronics and Information Technology. Pashupati Kumar Paras, Minister of Food Processing Industries. Kiran Rijiju, Minister of Law and Justice. Rajkumar Singh, Minister of Power and Minister of New and Renewable Energy. Hardeep Singh Puri, Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas and Minister of Housing and Urban Affairs. Mansukh Mandaviya, Minister of Health and Family Welfare and Minister of Chemicals and Fertilizers. Bhupendra Yadav, Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change and Minister of Labour and Employment. Purushottam Rupala, Minister of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying. G. Krishna Reddy, Minister of Culture, Minister of Tourism and Minister of Development of Northeastern Region. Anurag Singh Thakur, Minister of Information and Broadcasting and Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports. Minister of State, Independent Charge. Rao Indrajit Singh, Minister of State, Independent Charge of the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. Minister of State, Independent Charge of the Ministry of Planning and the Minister of State, the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Dr. Jitendra Singh, Minister of State, Independent Charge of the Ministry of Science and Technology. Minister of State, Independent Charge of the Ministry of Arts Sciences. Minister of State in the Prime Minister's Office. Minister of State in the Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions. Minister of State in the Department of Atomic Energy and Minister of State in the Department of Space. New Ministers of State. Pankaj Chaudhary, Minister of Finance. Anupriya Singh Patel, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Satyapal Singh Baghel, Ministry of Law and Justice. Rajiv Chandrasekhar, Minister of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship and Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Shobha Karandalje, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Bhanu Pratap Singh Bharma, Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Thardana Vikram Jardos, Ministry of Textiles and Ministry of Railways. Minakshi Lekhi, Ministry of External Affairs and Ministry of Culture. Annapurna Devi, Ministry of Education. A. Narayanaswamy, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Kaushal Kishore, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Ajay Bhatt, Ministry of Defence and Ministry of Tourism. B.L. Verma, Minister of Development of Northeastern Region and Minister of Corporation. Ajay Kumar, Minister of Home Affairs. Chauhan Devanis, Ministry of Communication. Bhagwant Kuba, Minister of New and Renewable Energy, Minister of Chemical and Fertilizers. Kopil Patil, Minister of Panchayat Raj. Pratima Bhaumik, Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment. Subhash Sarkar, Minister of Education. Bhagat Kishore Karad, Minister of Finance. Rajkumar Ranjan Singh, Minister of External Affairs and Minister of Education. Bharati Praveen Pawar, Minister of Health and Family Welfare. Visheshwar Tudu, Minister of Tribal Affairs, Ministry of Jal Shakti. Shantanu Thakur, Minister of Ports, Shipping and Waterways.
Munjapuram Mahendrabai, Ministry of Women and Child Development and Ministry of Ayush. John Barlaw, Ministry of Minority Affairs. Dr. L. Murugan, Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying, Minister of Information and Broadcasting. Nisath Pramanik, Ministry of Home Affairs and Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports.
President Kovind appoints new governors for 8 states. President of India, Ramnath Kovind has appointed new governors for 8 states. The new governors have been appointed for states including Haryana, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Tripura, Jharkhand, Mizoram, and Himachal Pradesh. While some of the current governors have been transferred to new states, in some others new appointments have been made.
Complete list of new governors. 1. Karnataka. Thawarchand Gehlot. 2. Madhya Pradesh. Mangubai Chhaganbhai Patel. 3. Mizoram. Dr. Hari Babu Kambhampati. 4. Himachal Pradesh. Rajendra Viswanath Arlekar. 5. Goa. P.S. Sridharan Pillai. 6. Tripura. Satyadev Narayan Arya. 7. Jharkhand. Ramesh Bais. 8. Haryana. Bandaru Dattatreya.
Wimbledon Championships 2021, complete list of winners. Here is the complete list of winners in different categories. Men's singles. Winner, Novak Djokovic, Serbia. Runner-up, Matteo Berrettini. Women's singles. Winner, Ashley Barty, Australia. Runner-up, Karolina Pliskova, Czech Republic. Men's doubles. Winner, Nikola Mektic and Mate Pavic. Runner-up, Marcel Granollers and Horacio Zeballos. Women's doubles. Winner, Hsi Suwei and Elise Mertens. Runner-up, Veronika Kudermetova and Elena Vesnina. Mixed doubles. Winner, Neil Skupski and Desiree Krawczyk. Runner-up, Joe Salisbury and Harriet Dart.
Muhammad Yunus, the Nobel Peace Prize recipient from Bangladesh, will receive the Olympic laurel for the second time at the Tokyo Games. Yunus, whose pioneering microfinance institution has been credited with eradicating poverty around the world, will be honored for his substantial work in sport for development. The Nobel Peace Prize was awarded to the 81-year-old economist turned globe-trotting celebrity speaker in 2006. On July 23, he will receive the honor at the Tokyo 2020 opening ceremony. The Olympic laurel's history is as follows. The Olympic laurel was established 5 years ago to honor sporting achievements in the areas of culture, education, peace, and development. Kip Keino, a Kenyan former Olympian who created a children's home, a school, and an athletes' training center in his home country, received the award for the first time in the 2016 Rio Olympics. About the Muhammad Yunus. In the 1980s, Yunus co-founded the Grameen Bank and shared the Nobel Peace Prize with the micro-lender. The Yunus Sports Hub, a network of social entrepreneurs that promote development via sports, is one of his ideas. Yunus has had legal issues in recent years after being fired as the head of Grameen Bank in 2011. His supporters claim that Bangladeshi Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina has targeted him, accusing him of sucking blood from the poor with high interest rates.